Have you ever finished your prayer and realized you don't even remember what you recited? Your body was standing. Your lips were moving, but your mind was somewhere else. Maybe you were thinking about work. Maybe about family problems. Maybe about your phone. Maybe about something that happened earlier in the day. And when you say salam at the end, you feel empty instead of peaceful. If this has happened to you, you are not alone. Almost every believer struggles with focus in prayer at some point. The heart gets distracted. The mind keeps running. Life feels heavy. But here is something important to understand. Deep focus in prayer is not a talent. It is not something only a few special people have. It is something that grows with effort. If you truly want to feel your prayer again, there are practical steps you can start applying today. Before you even begin the prayer, pause for a few seconds. Don't rush into it. Just stand there quietly and remind yourself why you are about to pray. Tell yourself in your heart, I am standing before Allah, not because it is a habit, not because everyone else is praying, but because you want to speak to Him. That small moment of intention changes your mindset. It shifts you from routine to connection. Then think about your wudu. Many people perform wudu quickly, almost automatically. But try doing it slowly. When you wash your face, imagine your sins being washed away. When you wash your hands, think about the mistakes those hands may have done. When you wipe your head, ask Allah to purify your thoughts. Wudu is not only cleaning the body, it prepares your heart to stand in front of your Lord. When you hear the call to prayer, don't ignore it. Respond to it softly. Repeat the words. Feel that it is a personal invitation. The call to prayer is not just a sound in the background. It is Allah calling you to success. When you answer it, your heart slowly starts moving toward prayer even before you begin. Try your best to pray at the beginning of the prayer time. When we delay it until the last minute, we usually rush. And when we rush, we lose focus. But when you pray early, your heart feels calm. You are not under pressure. You are not worried about time running out. That calmness helps you concentrate. One of the most powerful ways to increase focus is to understand what you are saying. If you do not understand Arabic, start small. Learn the meaning of Surah Al-Fatiha. It is recited in every single unit of prayer. When you say, all praise is for Allah, Lord of the worlds, and you know what that means, it feels different. When you say, guide us to the straight path, and you truly think about guidance in your own life, your heart begins to speak, not just your tongue. Slowly learn the meanings of the short surahs you recite often. You don't have to learn everything at once. Just take small steps. Understanding brings life to your prayer. Slow your prayer down. Many of us move too fast. Ruku becomes quick. Sujud becomes quick. We just want to finish. But prayer is not something to finish. It is something to experience. Stay a little longer in each position. In Ruku, pause and truly feel humility. In Sujud, stay an extra few seconds. When you slow your body down, your heart has time to catch up. Keep your eyes focused on the place of Sujud. It may sound simple, but it helps a lot. When your eyes move around, your thoughts follow them. When your eyes stay still, your mind becomes more stable. Small physical discipline supports inner focus. Make Sujud special. This is the closest position you can be to Allah. Don't treat it like just another movement. After saying the required words of remembrance, speak to Allah in your own language. Tell Him about your fears. Tell Him about your pain. Tell Him what you want for your future. You do not need fancy words. Speak honestly. Sujud is where hearts break and heal at the same time. Remove distractions before you pray. Put your phone away, not just on silent, but away from your reach if possible. Choose a quiet space. If there is noise, try to reduce it. The world is already full of distractions. Protect these few minutes for Allah alone. Try not to recite the same short surah every single time. When we repeat the same words daily without change, the mind goes into automatic mode. Memorize a new short surah, even if it is very small, or rotate between a few different ones. That small change forces your mind to pay attention again. There will be moments when your mind drifts away during prayer. This is normal. Do not become angry at yourself. Do not think your prayer is useless. Even the best believers faced whispers and distractions. When you notice your thoughts have wandered, gently bring them back. Every time you bring your focus back to Allah, that effort is rewarded. The struggle itself has value. Before starting your prayer, imagine something powerful. Imagine this is your last prayer. Imagine this is your final conversation with Allah before you leave this world. How would you stand? How would you bow? How would you ask for forgiveness? That thought alone can soften your heart and bring deep sincerity. Understand that focus in prayer does not appear overnight. It grows slowly. Some days you will feel connected. Some days you will feel dry and distracted. Do not give up on those dry days. Keep praying. Keep trying. Keep asking Allah to give you focus. The heart changes with consistency. Over time, you will notice something beautiful. Prayer will stop feeling like a burden. It will start feeling like relief. Instead of wanting to finish quickly, you will wish it lasted longer. Instead of feeling empty after salam, you will feel calm. The sweetness of prayer is real, but it is tasted by those who keep knocking on the door. So keep knocking, keep standing, keep bowing, keep making sujud, and ask Allah sincerely to fill your prayer with focus, humility, and peace. Because when your prayer becomes strong, your life becomes strong.